The next thing is while your bow is in the case, it should always be in the loose position. And what I mean by that is that you can see my bow hair and the stick are very close together. I have loosened my bow, and it should always be loose when it is in the case and you're not playing. When you do play, you need to tighten your bow by tightening this screw on the bottom, and you do that by turning it to the right. If you turn it too much, it actually can break the bow. So the guideline that we use is you want there to be about a pencil width, you can use your pencil again, in the middle. So not on the sides, but in the middle. You should be able to really easily, and you see I have a little bit more space, but you should be able to really comfortably fit the pencil in there. You don't want to have to wedge it in, that means it's not tight enough. But if you can really comfortably get that pencil into the middle, that's generally a good sign that you have the correct tension on your bow. So tighten it before you play, and then before you put it back in the case, you want to loosen it. But I'll keep mine tight.